Yeah, I don't know what the.
You have to run the course correctly. You can't cut it or anything, or you're disqualified. So go all the way to the end before you make your turn.
I didn't think they were going to do
I bet that the bicycle one's gonna win.
I think so.
We got the Lake Auxiliary out there. Thank you for coming today. We appreciate your help. Thank you very much. You gotta stay inside that moon. No teamwork here. Let's see how well the party pontoon makes the turn. That's the key in a close race, how well you make the turn. They got it going on. Whoops, they're lost. Give them directions out there.
All right.
Go backward.
To the right.
Backward. Reverse. I didn't think about turning.
Try out.